In this video, I'll show you how to change the theme in ChatGPT in just a few clicks. Start by opening your browser and going to the official ChatGPT website. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside the main chat interface, look for your profile icon. On desktop, it's usually in the bottom left corner. In some layouts, it may appear in the top right. Click your profile icon to open the account menu. From there, select Settings, then go to the General section. This is where appearance options are located. Find the appearance setting. You'll see three choices: light, dark, and system. Choose light if you prefer a brighter interface for daytime use. Choose dark if you want a darker look that's easier on the eyes in low light. Choose system if you want ChatGPT to automatically match your device's theme. As soon as you select an option, the change applies instantly. If you're unsure, try system first and adjust later if needed. That's it. Open your profile, go to Settings, select Appearance, and choose the theme that works best for you.